Jack, your 2 o'clock appointment's here. You better hurry up with the first babe, huh?
Gotta work your way around the rest of her body, honey. There you
Down
go.
lower.
That's
good.
it. That's
A little lower on the back. Stretch it out.
yeah. Oh, on the
Stretch
neck.
it out, yeah.
On the neck. There you go.
Use your back feet, honey. Good girl. Good. Good. Ah, that feels good. Good.
And we have the next patient lined up.
Good.
Yep. Oh, there we
Right at the
go.
top. A little more at the top. Yeah. Dig in. Jack, what's the charge for this? Jack, I got your fish ready.
I'm taking catnip today.
Oh, that's good. Get his close up on his eyes. Huh?
Are you in the zone, Jack?